And now we are live?
Yeah, now we're live.
Hi.
Can you hear the music?
No, that.
Hi guys, welcome. It's Eva Gwevenyu.
Hello.
Hi guys, welcome. It's Eva Gwevenyu. Call the others. Come, let's discuss. And then my love, my life. Like. Hi everyone, hi.
Hi. I'm Nicholas. I'm not into the lyrics, but yeah, I feel the music.
Yes, he enjoys the music.
Oh yeah.
Wait.
Oh. Okay.
Yes.
Oh, dance with you.
Yes, dance.
Okay.
Yes, guys, call the others. Call. Come, let's discuss. All those loves and likes.
Oh, 300 views.
Yeah.
Oh,
Hi, everyone. Hi.
hi.
Hi, welcome.
How long will we dance now?
1 minute.
1 minute? Oh, okay.
Yeah. Come, let's watch.
Let's watch. Oh, did they all ask questions?
Not yet.
Oh, wow,
Okay. Tapno tutanga Okay, so we start now. Alright. Hi everyone. Okay, would you like to introduce yourself?
Okay, yeah, I can. Hello, I'm Nicholas. I'm here from Germany, and yeah, it's my first movie with space, so yeah, let's check it out.
Yeah, okay. So guys, today tine topic yekuti interracial. What do you guys think about my interracial? Munema questions here. Kana munema questions, ask them here because we want to talk about doubts about my interracial dating. So if you have any questions, ask Uyu Gurungwe. He's here to answer your questions. Yeah. So go on and ask and call the others. Okay, let's check out the comments.
Oh yeah. Much
Okay,
questions.
hello everyone. Hi. Kandai my questions and you ask anything. Ask anything you'd love to ask. Hi, how are you? Hi, my tie-dye Nashe. How are you? Welcome to our hood. Oh, that's your favorite artist. What's his name?
Yeah.
What's his name?
What was his name? Coca, right?
No.
Kosha? No, no.
Choka.
Choka. Oh, okay.
Van Choga.
Okay. First fail. Hey. You have to know it's my first live video I've ever been on.
Yeah?
So yeah. And my English is also not the best, so I try to give my best. So.
Yeah, so
Let's see.
pardon it. Okay, guys. Okay, Zanele says welcome. She said welcome.
Yeah, welcome. Hi.
Hi. Hi, Nella. Mukuona kupi varungu. Someone asked where we are getting white people.
Where we are getting?
Where I got you. Okay, guys.
Okay. Okay.
Because,
we meet each other and
Yeah.
we were texting and yeah. There we meet.
Okay, Fiona says, why don't you start your own page? A page for us.
I was never into that till that moment, so
Yeah.
she was the first person I met who done the live video thing, and it was like she asked me if I want to be on that topic, and I was like, okay, yeah, why not? So yeah, maybe I will start it someday.
Yeah, so Ganamchida, we can start our own channel if you guys want. We can start the channel and you can also follow that. Okay, so Varaizo says, wo wohnt ihr beide? Wo habt ihr euch getroffen? Ja,
Okay.
wir wohnen ja in
Okay.
Believe.
I live nearly Bielefeld, and
Yeah.
you live nearly Springer.
Yeah.
Right. And the first meeting we had, it was at the Maschsee in Hannover.
Yeah. Okay. Anzi, where are you getting white people? Guys.
Oh. Yeah, on dating platforms or on Facebook or Instagram. Oh. Yeah.
Okay. So here's the first question. Someone asked, "Is there a difference in?" Okay, let me translate that.
Yeah.
Okay, is there a difference in, what can I say, being sexually active with a white female or with a black female? I don't know your experience on that.
To be honest, oh, first real question. No, not really.
Not really.
No. No, I would say not really.
Okay.
Yeah, it always doesn't have something color
different.
or something else.
Okay.
I don't feel. I mean, I feel it when we meet each other, or yeah, there's a difference, of course, because but not in a sexual way till now. So that's my
Yeah.
experience.
All right. Okay. There are no serious questions right now. Motawasha says, I really love your hosting skills. You're so good at this. Thank you. Thank you so much. Okay. So refreshing to see one of our own with Twatino Mbowona. She says, someone says it's so refreshing to see
Someone new?
someone new. Yeah.
Okay, yeah. Thank you.
Yeah.
So you have to know, I'm from Germany, so my English is not the best, but really I try to give my best here. So yeah.
All right. Okay. So we have another question. It says, how does your family feel about each other? How would your family react to you dating someone who is out of your race?
They are open to it. So they would say hello. I mean, till now I didn't introduce. Oh yeah, I introduced one black girl to my family, and it was like, okay, hi. So they were open to it and had no problems with it. So, yeah.
Okay.
I only can speak from my experience. So yeah.
Yeah. So he says that there was no problem introducing someone from another race. All right.
That's
Okay, and here's another question. Okay. Do people stay when you're on dates? What does your family feel about your relationship?
Oh yeah, to be honest, yes, I could see it when we take a walk or go somewhere and drink a coffee. There are some people that were staring at us.
Yeah,
yeah,
of
hello.
course people look.
Of course they look.
Yeah, people look. I mean,
I noticed it. Yeah.
Yeah.
But I don't have a problem with it. So.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, it says read all of the questions. Stop skipping or lying to my non-misses. No, it's not like I'm skipping your questions on purpose. I can't see some of them. Okay, let me check.
The thing I saw, no.
Oh.
There are so many questions. Like, woo.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, someone says.
Yes.
Mukwasha Taurai Chokwadi. That says. Our son-in-law, tell the truth, there is a difference in, being sexually active with someone who's from a different race.
Oh yeah. To be honest, okay, one point is they can enjoy it more. I got the feeling that they are how to say it. They feel it and they mostly they know their body very well, so it's a thing I enjoy, so yeah. To take one point, right?
Yeah, well, we are not really going to go into detail. He's not going to go into detail, but okay.
That's right.
He just says, yes, there's a small difference. Okay. Yeah. Okay, let's check out. Okay, this is okay. It says, how do you accommodate each other considering you have different... Okay, how do you accommodate each other culturally? Is he open to lobola or considering you have a different traditionality? Okay, so in Africa, when a man wants to marry a woman, he has to pay the bride price, right?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Okay. And how do you feel about that? Are you open to that?
Yeah.
Yeah?
I like traditional things, so I mean, I have to be open to the things in other cultures, otherwise it wouldn't work out, I guess. Yeah. So
right.
I'm open to all of that. Yeah.
And are like other men in your culture into this?
No.
Yeah, no. Okay, let's see another question. It says, I love this couple. Kwete tudara twaka mirira roof. Says they love this couple. Okay. Okay, so let's check out if I skipped any comments. It says... Okay, it says, wait, let me pin this comment. It says, is there players in white guys or just mess girls and dump them? Like, in the white people, are they like players? Because when we look at our African men, they are usually players. Are white men also like that?
I mean, of course, yeah. Not all of us, but of course. Why? I mean, from this culture here in Germany, most people or most men are afraid to speak to women, to make the first step. You can see it here. You can when you go outside and make party, you can see there were not much men who go to a woman and say hello.
Yeah.
Most of them are shy or worried about what could happen. So, but of course there were some guys who say, okay, I want to get someone and talk to each other and go to someone they like and say hello to her. But most of us here in Germany are not like that. I guess, but yeah. But of course we got some players here, I would be lying if I would say another thing. Like, it is not like that, It is like that, of course. Yeah. But maybe in your cultures are more players.
Yeah. And do German guys also like to play with girls? I mean, do they like to?
No. I mean, I guess in every culture and in every land there are guys who are playing with girls,
Yeah.
But I think that doesn't make a difference from where you're from, I guess, yeah.
All right, all right. Let me check for more questions. Let me check. Okay, it says, here's another question. It says, aren't you worried that your kids will be bullied for being mixed race?
No. No. I would love to give them so much, how we say, self-confidence? Is that what was saying?
Yeah,
self-confidence,
yeah.
so that, they don't have to worry about that. And, give them power to be strong enough in this world. So, yeah.
And what if something like that was to happen? What would you actually do if your kids get bullied in school just because they are a mixed race?
Yeah, maybe I would talk to the other kids or the families of their kids and, try to tell them, hey, that's not cool what you're doing.
Okay.
Yeah, I would handle it like that. I guess.
All right. Let me check for more questions. Guys, it's like a song.
Oh yeah, again, music.
Yes. Guys, ask questions. Ask. Okay, here's another one. It says, why do German guys prefer to live with a lady for a long time without getting married and get married after some years?
I guess they want to make sure that it's a white one, you know? So here in Germany, we got a lot of couples that will separate, or married people that will separate after some years. So even in my age, my parents are separate, so and a lot of my friends' parents are separate now, and so it's like we are a little bit warned to take a good look at which one we would like to have in our life. Yeah. So that's the reason.
All right, and is like marriage a big thing here in Germany?
Oh yeah. I mean, of course, there are maybe not so much people at married at the wedding time. So I guess in your culture or in other cultures, there comes, I don't know, 100 more people to the marriage thing and to the wedding thing. And here in Germany, it's a little bit smaller.
It's a little bit smaller, yeah.
But also good. So I visited a lot of a lot of weddings the last years, and there were also some different wedding things. You know, you can do it in an open way or in a church, and
Yeah. Well, in our culture, when people are getting married, it's always a lot of people there, and first comes the traditional wedding and then the white wedding. So you guys just have the white wedding.
White.
Okay, let's see. It says, let's check for more comments. It says here, don't you get frustrated not being able to express yourself in your own language?
Oh yeah. No. It's like it's like sometimes it's hard. I mean, in my job I don't have to speak English, so I went out of school and of course I speak somewhere English, but to meet someone who is only in the English language or in her language, as an example. I told her already, it's like, your language is sometimes a little bit speed up. And for me, it's like, she have to translate it for me. So sometimes it's hard to find the right words. Also, when you ask questions now, please don't take it too personal if I understand it a little bit wrong or something. Just like I said, I tried my best, so let's see if I answered it all correctly.
All right.
But it's right. It's a little bit frustrated. Only a little bit.
Okay. They're asking again. What do you think about paying lobola? He said he's okay with that. He's open to that.
What's lobola?
Lobola, the bride price.
Okay. Yeah, the bride price. Yeah. I don't worry about that.
Okay. Let's see. Here's another one. It says, I skipped a part of how did you guys meet?
Okay.
Min, what did the guy got impressed with such that he said, I'm going for a black girl? Okay, what would, when you see a black girl, what would,
Yeah.
so what would
What
you
makes me
want?
interested?
Yeah.
In that? I think so. I'm into getting to know a new culture thing. You know. I think when I first saw her, it was like, or someone else, a black girl, a Chinese girl, or some girl from around the world. I don't know. It's like it makes it interesting for me. Like, okay, I want to get to know her life story. How did she live? And yeah, that's one thing that makes it so interesting for me. And yeah.
All right.
And another thing is, I think a lot of them got a good heart, and yeah. So that's my impression.
Oh, all right. Okay. Okay, Mambo Tanga. Okay, this one is oh, someone said how much lobola. Okay, when it comes to lobola, how do you think people do it? I want to know how you think people would do it before I explain to you what people have to do.
In what?
Like, okay, when you have to pay the bride price.
Yeah.
How much do you think you have to pay, or what do you think you have to pay?
Oh,
yeah.
I don't know. Maybe it's around, if I should schätzen.
If you should guess.
Yeah, if I should guess, it will be, I don't know, between 3,000 and 10,000 euros, somewhere between that. Or will it be bigger? I mean, I don't know. I've never Googled it before, so maybe you can help me. What is it like?
Well, it depends on the kind of family that girl is coming from, actually.
Okay, yeah.
And yeah, it could range between 3,000 and 10,000 euro. But like the most traditional thing is that you go to the girl's father with your, I don't know, with your trusted friend, and with your best friend, and then he asks the girl's father for marriage, right? And then the father tells you what he wants to have. And so does the mother. But yes, in most cases, people will get cows, livestock.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, and then, I don't really know if it's like 3,000 or 10,000 euros. If you guys know, please state it in the comments how much people could pay in most cases.
Yeah.
Okay, let's check. Okay, someone says, Fifi Fiona says, Dai mambo tanga matudza, how you met. How long have you been dating, so that we know what to ask?
Okay. So, yeah, just like I said, we start talking on the social media first, and yeah, then we meet our first time at the Maschsee fest, and not fest, at the Maschsee, and take a walk there. So it's a big sea, and it's like the 5th time we get to know each other better.
Okay. Imelda says, if you go black, you will never go back.
Okay, good to know.
Yeah, so that's a tip from one of our guys, yeah?
Yeah, well, thank you for the advice.
Someone is asking, are you married?
Nope.
He's not married.
Yeah, I'm not married.
Okay. Okay.
So just to let you know, how long did we know each other now? For some weeks. It's not like we know each other for years or something. So it's like we meet each other and get to know each other better. And then she asked me if I want to be on this thing here right now. So I would say, yeah, it sounds interesting. And here I am.
Yeah, here it is to answer your questions. Okay. Let's see. Oh, this is an interesting one. It says, some people say German guys are tricky. because they've never dated even outside their own race.
Yeah.
Tribe, jealous, soccer. Okay, he says that most people say German guys are tricky to date. Is that true?
Tricky? So give me another word for it.
Schwierig. Also,
Oh. Really? Is it like that? I don't know. Is it easy to date me? As an example? I don't know, but I think some of the German guys have a problem of when they are dating a black woman about the looks other people took, and or give them, and it was like, oh, they feel uncomfortable about that. Yeah, I guess that's one point. Yeah, so I guess it's some of the Germans are maybe tricky to date, right? But yeah. All
right. Okay, so I think I'll open the line so that other people can call in if they have like really serious questions for you. Yeah.
Okay. Oh, first big interview live.
Yeah, first interview. WhatsApp call. Let's see. WhatsApp call. All right, guys. I'm going to open the line for you guys so that you can call in if you like to call. Okay. Can I move now for now? Call.
I see so many. What they all write down?
Oh, the comments.
So much comments. Okay.
Someone says, okay.
I hope I don't blame myself too much right now.
No. Okay, someone says you're lying. If a German man says I love you, it means that he really does. Is that true?
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah?
Yeah, I think so, yeah.
Okay. Well,
I didn't say if a German guy don't say I love you to someone, that it's not true.
Well, is it like something special? Is that word something special?
Yeah. I mean, I think it depends. I can't speak for all the German people right now, all the men here. I can only speak for myself. And yeah, when I tell somebody I love you, then I really do it. So yeah.
All right. Okay. Okay. Okay, no more questions. People are not really asking questions here.
Okay, no problem.
Yeah. All right. Let us wait and see. Okay.
What's happening?
Okay.
But I see a lot of laughing smiles.
Yeah. Someone says, why white guys like... Oh, I'm not going to answer that. What hairstyle would you love when dating a black girl?
What hairstyle would you love when dating a black girl? Oh, yeah. It depends on how the head is like, Yeah. I guess some styles, how to say it? Some styles, the Afro style, I think, I like that. I also like the long hair that I can't, but I think it depends on how the head is like, and then, the hair should be like fit to it. But I like it. I like it sometimes wild or I don't know.
All right. So another comment says, do you allow direct calls? Yes, we do. Yes, you can call in. Okay, it says funerai. Wait, God. I don't understand that. Okay. Okay, guys, you can call in if you wanna ask some questions. Musajka, call. Okay, Heather Kaduku says you look good. Peshi Chicks says you look good together. All right, thank you guys. Thank you guys. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna tell them something in Shona, right? I think they're not understanding. Saka guys, nyenze kudanana andisikupindura because ndati uyu i-guest yangu of which tichangogara papo muchangovhunzawo ma-questions zvamunenge muchida kunzwa and then achikupindurai, okay? Yeah. Okay, vatete motonoiswa afro. Someone said that I should get an afro because you said that you like the afro style.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I would love to see it on her. Why not? But one thing I noticed is that you really need enough hair care, you know, to make it perfect for you. Not only for her, but the hair is like wild, and you have to put some special things to
to make it look nice.
Yeah. I mean, for men, it's always easy. Like when you got a haircut like that, it's you take a shower, you do some styling things in, and that's it. It takes 5 or 10 minutes, and then it's finished. So yeah.
Yeah. So for the men, it's easier. It's just
It is.
Okay. Someone says, much appreciated that you have accepted each other without focusing on color. Yeah, I mean, what do you think about people that are interracial relationships?
Yeah, I think, they should be cool with that. They don't have to care about the other looks I get maybe when they running hand in hand together around the streets or somewhere, and be proud if they found each other, and be happy.
Be happy.
Oh yeah.
Oh, okay, so we have our first caller. Okay.
Oh, first call. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Hi. How are you?
I'm doing good. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Yeah, we hear you. Hi.
Hi. Good. So I just started listening from the middle. You guys have already started. So I don't know if some of the questions have already been asked, but I'm just gonna ask them again. Is that okay?
Okay.
Okay.
All right. So I need to ask, since you said we shouldn't be asking about the love stuff, I need to ask if the guy is a football fan.
A football fan? Yeah. I am.
Oh yeah?
I mean, now
So,
yeah.
have you guys ever gonna to watch a football match together?
Oh no, not till now.
Not till.
I was watching it with my friends.
Yeah,
Always.
I hope you do that. What about have you guys ever driven on the autobahn?
Have you ever driven on the autobahn?
Oh yeah, of course. It was like here it is. It makes much fun when there are not so much cars on it, and there's no speed limit. Of course, we enjoy that.
So in Zimbabwe, the maximum speed is 120 kilometers an hour. I'd like to know the top speed you reached when you went on the autobahn.
Oh, it was like I live nearly the autobahn, and it was like we get on it when it's nearly in the evening, because then there are not so much cars on it, and we can speed it up, and I don't know, we were about 250 miles on that, so it makes fun then. And so you missed it. You have to come to Germany someday. Try it out.
I will come there someday, because I'm in Canada right now, but I always dream of coming to Germany and rent like an AMG
Yeah.
And then just go on the autobahn and let all the demons, just let them fly,
Yeah.
I always want to come to there. One day I'll come. One day, I promise.
Okay. Then call again and
my
you can.
other question, my last question, do you have, I'm a football fan, so I know a lot. I've read stories of a lot of football players in Germany.
Yeah.
They complain about racism. Sometimes they come to the car park and maybe their car has been vandalized, eggs thrown there, and stuff like that. So I wanted to hear from you. What do you think of racism in Germany? Is it crazy, or it's here and there, or it's everywhere? From what you see around you, would you say racism is a problem in Germany, or it's not that too much?
To be honest, I mean the players get another view of it. When they are standing in front of 10,000 people, I guess there are always some idiots there and screaming some bad words against them. But I can only speak from a small town here, and the only things I notice is even if you are a football player or a normal black guy or girl who's walking around here, it's like, okay, you get some looks, but they don't they don't get to fight with you or give you scream after you or something. So I guess in some parts of Germany it's a bigger problem, but I can only speak on the small things I noticed here when I'm dating or meeting a black girl or guy. I also got a black male friend, and when I'm with him, it's like, of course they look, but
Oh, he hung up.
Oh, he hung up. Okay, yeah.
All right, someone. Okay, guys, put your questions. Okay, someone says, okay, the comment is already gone, so I cannot pin it anymore. Yeah. Someone asked, do you have any friends for me?
What? Friends?
Do you have any single friends?
Of course. Which one should it be? A small guy, a bigger guy? How old should he be? So of course I can connect it.
So Varpuda takes me, I know connect.
Yeah. No problem. Sorry.
Yeah. Okay. What are we supposed to ask from these guys? Guys, I want you guys to ask anything you feel like asking regarding being interracial in a friendship or relationship. Anything you want to ask, you can ask. Okay.
But just like I say, I only speak for myself and not for the whole German guys, so please don't shoot me up.
So
fight against me.
Well, let's see some comments here. Let's see. Okay, people are not asking so much.
Not a problem.
Okay.
Maybe they are shocked because now you're sitting with a guy here in your video.
Well, guys, ask anything if you wanna ask. Why did he hang up? I don't know why he hung up. Okay, we have another caller coming in. Let's see. Hello?
Hello.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good.
Fine.
Nechirungu with English, please.
Anyway, ndinoda kubvunza pamusoro pekuti isusu vaAfrica tinoziva kuti ukadanana nemukomana wako sorry ndio uchazotranslate handifari kutaura chiro.
Yes, I will translate.
Ukadanana nemukomana wako then toziva kuti isusu tsika dzedu pachivanhu chedu tinoti mukomana ndiye anonyanya kundispoila kudarika musikana, but I discovered ndakanzwa kuti maGermans anoti munhu anozvionera, like ukaenda kudina you pay for yourself, some of the small things that you expect to come and my German hands as if I go and thing. That's my first.
Okay, so the question is, what's your point of view on like dating? Who has got to be more financially active in a relationship? Like a lot of people say that German guys prefer to be like to like be on the same level of paying, the girl pays for her own coffee and the guy pays for his own. Well, what's your take on that? Do you like what's your take on relationships whereby you put in more input than the girl?
I think it's like when you go and have a dinner somewhere, and I'm feeling better if I invited her, or some. But to be honest, I know some guys that will not pay for all of that, and I'm also into like pay something and invite someone, but I think as a response, someday she should also invite me to an ice cream or something, and I would feel bad if I would pay all of that, because I guess I want that lady to feel great, and but that doesn't mean that I have to pay for all of the stuff, It would be like, hey, come on. I don't want the gold digger in my life, I will take care of a woman that is important for me, but I won't pay all of that, I want to feel like, okay, she's not only here because of my money or something, so it's just like, it doesn't have to cost much money, I want to feel like she's also doing something to me, invite me to something or cook for me, oh, that's also nice, but I don't want to pay for all of that, but
Okay. Bunzongo is too. Makamwenda mese like for pub kana go swimming pool. Okay. And there's a situation because you are two different, right? And shake up and bakaungana vano kutariza akwa so wakambusanga situation niyo ve kana wakasangana nayo wakazikamchira fi. I mean kupeseni irefe ku komano.
Okay, so she's asking if we've ever went to the pub or to the swimming pool together. Did people look, and she's asking if people looked and how you felt in that moment.
Yeah, people were looking, of course, yeah. They were looking, and I was feeling like, okay, I don't care. For me, it's really not a problem to go outside with a black girl somewhere, but of course, the little child, I was looking, oh, look, she looks different. Yeah, okay. And but yeah, we get looks when we are somewhere at the swimming pool or somewhere. Yeah. I noticed that, but
okay.
Yeah.
Okay, let's say babereki vakomana waenda kundoindodzisa musikana wako vobva vati havasikuzigamuchira unozvitora sei unosolva sei dambudziko iroro translator kumukomana wako.
Okay, so she asked, let's say you take your black girlfriend to your parents and they don't accept that. How would you handle that situation?
Oh, strange situation or bad situation? That would be a bad situation because, I guess a lot of when you want that your parents like that one that you say, hey, that's her, and I wouldn't feel good about that, but hey, it's my decision, when I liked somebody and my parents have to accept that, even if they don't like her, they have to say, okay, so that's his decision, his life, he must be lucky, and but I'm so lucky and happy that I know my parents would accept that, but it would be bad if they wouldn't, to be honest.
Okay. I think Sakwana.
Okay.
Sakwana, thank you very much for taking me from Sakwana.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Okay, have a nice day.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Thank you. Ciao.
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 All
right. Okay, someone says cook sadza nemadora or matemba. Kana awe kwako and see if he likes it. Okay, well, he has already tasted some African meal. Did you like the African meal? And do you think you would eat it every day? Because our African men like to eat that thing called salsa every night. Would you be open to doing that every night?
Yeah, I mean, I've only tried one menu, you know, and it tastes very, very good. I like it when it's a little bit salty, and yeah, I'm also into meat, and it was a good experience, and I'm open to it. So yeah, but just like I say, it was only one menu, and that tastes great. I don't know. You can say what it was. I don't know the names.
Well, it was salsa, my veggie, beef, beans. Yeah. Okay. Okay, let's...
And for me, it was funny to see that they are eating it with their fingers, you know.
Yeah. So you wouldn't eat it with your fingers?
Oh, I've done it yesterday, but I would do it, but it was something different to do it without a knife.
Yeah. Okay, so he uses a fork and knife to eat salsa.
Yes.
Yes. Okay.
Oh, the call.
Another caller coming in. Okay. Wait, let me just answer this. Okay. Hello? Hello?
Hello?
Hello?
Hello?
Hello?
Hello?
Hi, how are you?
Oh, bad connection?
Okay, bad connection. Okay, here's another question. It says, in your Germany traditions, does a woman have to be a housewife only, or you share responsibilities?
And now we share responsibilities. It's like, normally both got jobs here, you know, and I could live on their own, but it's like having a team together, you know. It's one thing when you know, for me it's important that a woman can also work and have his own life and do her own job or something, you know. It's good to know that she could cook some great meals or helps you
to look after the kids.
To look after the kids, and that's also important. And
so here in Germany, men can also stay at home with the children whilst the woman is going to work. That is actually normal here. It's not like in Africa, whereby if the man is staying with the kids, people are like, oh, he's less of a man, right?
Yeah.
So here it's quite normal to be like that.
And believe me, guys, it would be really easier for me to say it in German, but I try to give my best here. So I think I replied it about 5 times now, but hey.
So it's quite normal. Okay, here's another question. I'm going to translate it for you.
Of course, okay, do.
Okay, it says, do you know that the son-in-law must clap their hands like this to the father, to the parents actually, and you should not wear a hat?
No.
To show respect.
I didn't know it till now, but thanks for the advice. So when I have to say hello to them, I go like this? Or
and kneel down.
Kneel down, okay, okay, thank you. No, I didn't know it till now. So that's one thing, you know, I want to get new things out of new cultures too. That's interesting for me, so one reason I'm into this live video right now. So,
Okay, let's see. Pane musikana ane mukomana mujimene vari kudanana mibvunzo yema-interracial relationships. Okay, Sarah Musonza, I don't really understand your question. Okay, it says, very true. Most people don't enjoy Zimbabwean food due to lack of flavor and variety. Okay, like sadza, what the African food you've tasted,
Yeah.
it has got no flavor.
Yeah.
Right? You tasted that. How do you feel about that?
I feel like it was something new for me, you know, and it was interesting and I liked that food. So, yeah, that's the thing I can say about that. It was like, I mean, you all know it when you eat something new you've never tried before. It's like, okay, how will it taste and how will you feel about that? And I was like, okay, they cook it for me, and I was like, okay, I hope I like that, because otherwise they could look it in my face when I eat it, like I could hold it behind me, like they would see if I didn't like it, you know. I'll eat it, I would do like that.
Yeah.
But it was really, really tasteful. Yeah, I love it.
All right. Okay. Is that a cola? Okay.
What did they all write here?
Well, they're just
I see
asking
so
their
many.
questions.
Yeah. Oh, hello.
Okay, hello.
Better connection now.
Hi guys.
Hi.
Hi.
Hi, how are you?
Oh, great. A little bit nervous, but fine.
Yeah. I want to ask about like the religions. How do you do it?
The religions.
Yeah. The different religions, or
Yeah.
yeah. How I would handle it, or
Like, do you really care about religion?
oh yeah. I think when it's a part of her and it's important for her, I will be open to it. But I would personally have a problem if it would be too yes, it's too streng,
Too strict.
too strictly, you know, in the extreme way, you know. Everything else I could accept, like if you want to pray some part of the day, it's not a problem for me. So yeah, but I can only speak for myself. Yeah.
Yeah.
So
Oh.
I think it's great when somebody believes in God and feeling good about that, and that gives them power, you know. I think it's a good thing, but so I don't have a problem with that. But personally, to me, if it would be too strict, like the person can't enjoy life, you know, it would be a problem for me. Yeah, but only then.
Yeah. Okay. Hello?
Oh, the connection is still away, so yeah.
It's quite bad. Okay. Let's check. Okay, someone says most whites are atheists.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow. I know. I would say it's like 50-50. I think most of the guys here believe in something, but are not that religious like in other cultures. Yeah. But hey, I only can speak for what I see outside. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Nisha Zimba asks, does he believe in Lobola? He said yes. Yeah. Ndozvavari kutosira baby achiema vachibvunza religion. Guys, we are not here to be judging.
What did he say?
She says, is that why she's leaving her baby crying to ask about religion? The previous caller.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, guys. Sezvandataura, pano tiringoya kungobvunzawo mibvunzo and hang out and ask each other things. Okay, hapana zvataura. So if you guys want to ask questions, ask. Tiri pano tinenge tichipindura mibvunzo yenyu. Except dzekudanana idzodzo hatisi kuita izvozvo.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Is he ready to go kunocheka ulikumusha? Okay, that means when you marry an African girl, right?
Yeah.
It's most likely that you have to go and work in the fields, like chopping wood.
So you want to know if I would dirty up my hands by working there? Yeah, of course. I don't want to go there and like, okay, let's check into the hotel and enjoy all the good things. Okay, if somebody needs help there, so yeah. I know it will be like, okay, you have to work also there hard to, on the lands there,
on the farms,
I mean, it would be something I've never tried out, to be honest. I've never worked outside of cutting some. What was it?
Some wood.
Some wood or something. Yeah, I've never done it before, but I mean, I'm a guest. If I would do that, if I would visit that land, and of course I will also want to work and want to do that. Yeah.
All right. I hope you answered your question. Okay. Julie Mai Jaden says, are you ready to slaughter a cow when you visit Zimbabwe?
Yeah, she asked me about that. That would be a point like, okay, that you wouldn't do here in Germany. Except, that wouldn't be a part in Germany. You go normal to the father of the girl and say, hello, I want to marry your daughter. But you don't have to fight against a cow or go and kill something and throw her
to slaughter.
To slaughter, but of course I want to impress that father there in the land, and I would do that. I think I would feel a little bit like, oh yeah, now I'm a man. I'm open to that, but it would be a strange feeling because I've never done it before.
Oh, okay.
Whoa, what's happened?
No, I'm just looking. Okay, so my Jaden, he has answered your question. I hope you are satisfied. Okay, let's see. What's your biggest challenge dating a black girl?
The biggest challenge I mean, the first thing is if it's not the same language, that is the biggest challenge, to say the words you really mean. So especially when it goes into deep talk, you could you have to make sure it is the right translating thing, and that is the biggest challenge, I think. But I wouldn't say if it's an African girl or some girl from somewhere around the globe, It's like, that's the biggest challenge ever. For me, it's like, I mean, for other guys, it's maybe the color of the skin, and to be good or feeling comfortable to go outside with her and be proud to be with her, and doesn't give a fuck about the other looks you get from other people, and that could be most challenge for other people, But for me, it's like to find the right words, what I really mean, in the language we were talking about,
So the language is the biggest challenge.
For me,
All right. Okay, Veronko says, I like your man's personality. Good match. He or she likes your personality.
Okay, thank you.
Yes.
I mean, I try to be honest to you guys, really. Of course, I'm into that. Leave a good first impression. But I really answered it honestly, so
Okay.
But just like I say, I only can speak for myself and from what I see about me. Did you get another call?
Oh yeah,
But
I
it was
missed.
away, right?
I missed it. Yeah,
Okay.
I missed it. Idi Chamisa says, answer the question.
Which
What
one?
question? Can you say it again? I think I did not see it. Okay, we have another caller coming in.
All right.
Let me answer that. Hello?
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 Hi. Okay. The things with the phone calls doesn't run very well. Bad connection.
Yeah,
here.
bad connection.
Bad
guys.
internet here in the small town where we filmed it.
Yeah, okay, let's see. Okay, this person is asking again. What if your parents don't like that? Well, he already said kuti.
Yeah, but I can repeat it. I would like they have to accept it. You know, I want to be lucky, and it's my decision, and it's my life. So yeah.
Yeah.
But just like I say, it would be much easier or better if they would accept it. Of course. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So guys. Let's see. Guys, my questions. Enyu atiskunyata ku maona, please send them in. Go Faye, go. I'm proud of you. Thank you, Bridget. Nyana. Okay, Maggie Charissa says, what is your biggest challenge in dating a white guy? Well, yeah, okay, I'm gonna answer this question. My biggest challenge is, yes, the cultural difference, because at times I do not know if his family would, accept the culture, because a lot of people are different-minded, and the language, yes, and what else? Nothing more. It's just the language and thinking if the parents are open to that. So yeah, that is my biggest challenge and my biggest worry in dating outside the race. But yeah, those are tackle to draw video, so you can also ask things and yeah. Okay. Wow, lovely, cute couple, Monuita. Okay, someone's calling.
Okay.
Let's see.
Hope it will work now.
Let's see.
Hello.
Hello?
Hello.
Hi,
Hello.
how are you?
How are you guys?
Oh, we are fine.
We're fine.
Just a little bit nervous, but fine.
Okay, I wanted to ask you, I only have one question.
Okay.
I see you're drinking water.
Yeah.
But I heard that Germans, they drink a lot of beer. Do you drink those mugs of beer?
Yeah. I will not lie to you. Yeah, we do. We do drink a lot of beer here. Yeah. Just like, I also play handball, and after every training session, there will be like 1 or 2 Kisten. How to say Kisten? Boxes of they were full packed with beer. So yeah, we drink beer in nearly every party here in Germany, and yeah, to be honest, yeah, we drink beer, yeah. Yeah.
Oh, all right, okay, all right. Thank you, guys.
You're welcome. Bye.
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 Bye. Oh, okay.
Oh, all right.
That was a good question. Yeah, here I drink water, that's fine.
Yeah, okay. Cool. Okay, Faye, so what have you learned from Bay culture in the same way he's learning about yours? Food, music, trends. Okay, let me pin this. Okay, this question says, what have I learned from meeting other people from different races? I mean, things are not really so different from us, right?
Yeah.
Or is there something where you would say, I cannot really think about it now, but except for the marriage things, yeah, that is a big difference. Okay, and food for Germans like bread.
Yeah, we eat bread, yeah.
Bread, yes. And music? Music.
Yeah. Really, music is a point. I mean, you were more into the African that beats,
dance,
you know,
yes.
and here in Germany it's like different music taste of time.
Yeah. All right. Okay, let's see. Okay, caller, hang up. Okay, let's see. It says, do white girls date black guys too, or is it just black girls dating white guys? Because it's very rare to find a white lady dating a black guy, but common the other way around. Okay.
Answer it. I mean,
do white girls date black guys? I don't know.
I know only from one couple that it's like that, but it's a good question. I mean, I would say it's rare to find, right?
Yeah. It's really rare to find.
Yeah. Oh, another phone comes in.
Another phone call. Let's see. Hello?
Hello. Hi. How are you?
We're fine.
Oh, we're fine. Hi. Thanks.
I've been trying to call for a long time and you guys were not answering.
Oh, that was not our fault. We got bad phone connection here, so yeah.
Okay. I think I had a lot of questions, but just because, the line was busy and all. And I just wanted to say, is it true that Germans, they know how to make, good bread?
Yeah. You want to know if the Germans make good bread here, or what? Bread.
Okay.
She can translate it for you. Bread.
What do you want to know?
No, I'm saying, I have a German friend. She says that, most Germans, they know how to make bread.
Oh, that's right.
That's
really,
right.
really.
Yeah.
So if you ever come here and try the bread here, it's like, oh, you really taste the difference between that and the bread from some other places. Yeah, they really know how to do it. That's right. Yeah.
Is it? Okay, anyway, thank you so much.
You're welcome. Bye.
Bye.
Okay, bye.
Okay. Someone.
I hope the connection is better right now.
Yeah, I hope so too.
Okay, so I should dance for you or
Yeah,
what?
which song do you want to dance to?
I could dance to that.
Okay, let's see.
Okay, she will choose a song and I could try to perform a little bit for you. But you have to know I'm not a dancer.
Okay.
And yeah, I'm not drunk at the moment. So.
Okay. Okay, yes, dance for them.
Alright, I'm here. Okay, enough of it.
Yes, people are enjoying. Dance for them.
Yeah, okay, let's have a party here. Oh, yeah.
Oh.
So I think it's enough of dancing, right? Oh,
Yes,
right.
dance for them.
Yeah.
What's going on
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, I think it's enough dancing for now. If you want to see me dance, you have to come to any club here when it will open again.
Yeah.
Then I will dance longer. Yeah.
Oh, people are saying you can dance. You know,
Oh, thank you.
well, they're saying it's not enough. Stand up and dance.
Yeah. Maybe to the end of the session.
Yeah, Saranozo, you dance for you guys at the end.
So
Yeah.
it will be my outro, okay?
Yes.
Alright.
He has rhythm. She says you have rhythm. Patricia Nyambo.
Thank you, Patricia. Oh, another phone comes
Another
in.
phone call. Okay. Hello?
Hello. Hey, oh my goodness, that is a lovely day.
Thank you.
And were you playing the music from your phone?
Yeah.
Yeah.
The very same phone that you're using to do the live, right?
Yes. No, sorry, another phone.
All right, because I went offline so that I could try and call you guys. And then when you guys kept on dropping the call, I had to come back on Facebook only to realize that he was dancing, and I felt so bad thinking if you were playing the music with the same phone that I was calling, then it was probably cutting off because of me.
Yeah, it was a bad timing at this moment, but hey, now it's good. Now it's good. I stopped dancing at the moment. So everything's good.
Okay, so my question is, I don't know. I hope my what I'm going to say doesn't sound offensive, but I've realized that, and I want you guys to tell me if I'm right or wrong. I've realized that usually white guys tend to date black women who are more like African looking, like who don't wear weave and stuff. Do you think I'm right to say that or not? Like in terms of people from Germany and stuff like that, because I know one particular lady who is married to a guy from Netherlands.
Yeah.
And she is so into the Zimbabwean culture to the extent that she doesn't wear weaves and stuff. She does the whole Chivanu stuff and everything. Is that always the case or no?
Okay. She's saying that she has noticed that white guys tend to go for the extreme African-looking girls without any extensions, fake hair, or something like that.
Yeah, the natural one.
The natural ones. Yes.
Yeah, I think you're right. Yeah, I think it's right that I mean, we are looking for how to say it. If a guy finds someone beautiful, like a black girl, you know, and we all need, the most of us are choosing that one that looks natural beauty, you know, not with too much fake things into their hair or I mean there are some things that really looks good on black girls, like they could wear different outfits than white girls sometimes, you know. Some colors are looking better on black girls than on white girls, yeah, and that's one thing I noticed, but that's my impression. And another thing is, of course, we love the natural thing, you know, not too much fake things, not too much bling bling or something, you know. Yeah, but that's my opinion. But I think most of the guys are into that, you know, are not into too much makeup things or too much fake things. That's just a natural beauty.
Yeah.
And I've actually realized that most of the times where a white guy goes and picks someone who I would say cultured, for lack of a better word, they get accused of wanting to learn our cultures and wanting to adopt our cultures through the lady and not necessarily being in love with them. Could you say that is true, or that is just people being people and just being judgmental?
You mean they want to take them into our culture, or what?
No, I mean that the white guy in particular will be wanting to learn more about our culture and sort of make our cultures theirs. Not like they get in a relationship not because they necessarily love the girl, but because they want to learn more about us.
Oh, no, I
yeah,
understand.
to
Okay.
gain experience.
Yeah. Good question.
Do you
I
think
think
sometimes people like date across cultures just to learn about the other culture and not necessarily about love?
yeah, I think so. Yeah.
Wow. All right. I think you guys are such a lovely couple, and thank you so much for answering the question.
Yeah, but yeah, it's my opinion, you know. But I think it's a thing, yeah. So yeah, thank you for your question.
All right. Thank you so much for calling in.
Okay.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye.
Goodbye.
Okay, guys. Okay, man, I'm going to drop it. Vunzei mimi my questions if you want to ask questions. Vunzei mimi, vanda kuvunza my questions and him so.
Hello again. A new phone call.
Yeah. Hello?
Hello.
Hi.
Hi, how are you?
Oh, good. And you?
I am very happy to see you. I don't have any question to ask you, but I would like to say all the best. You are a perfect couple.
A perfect couple.
Oh, thank you.
Oh, thank you.
I mean, we are in the mood of getting to know each other better at the moment. Yeah, you know, and but
I can see it on your face.
yeah.
But can I ask you one question?
Thank you. Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean,
Are you going to have children?
just I don't know how long you visit us here live, but it was our fifth date till now, so we didn't talk about it.
Well, like, okay, yes.
Bye-bye.
Okay,
bye.
Okay. Okay, it says Naya kukucha kubunzisisa avatambeki. Okay, guys. Fona ikatinzwi. You reading my comments. I'm trying to. Okay, we have another caller. What's going on? Okay.
A lot of laughing smiles, yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Guys, vane moto. Kola vane moto. Vane moto. Guys. Ask questions. Call in. Mutore nesu. Yeah, on our in-law. Okay, I think there was a question. Okay, now I remember what it was. It says, after how long would you want to start a family with a woman? Because in Africa, you see that a lot of women have a lot of kids with different people at times, because I don't know, maybe they're unsure of that partner or they just rush into things. How long would you say you want to start a family with someone?
I think when you are in love with them, and when it's like a good situation thing, you know, when you live together, when you feel like, okay, that woman, and when we have children together, you know, babies together, we I will always have a connection to that woman. So for my part, it's like I want to make sure she's the right one, and then I'm open to have kids with her. Yeah, and I really want to start a family, but I want to make sure it's the right person. Yeah, of course there could be an accident or something, and then you have to handle it. But it's better to be sure that you have a relationship with someone and start a family. I don't know. I wouldn't say you have to wait for years to start making a baby, but yeah, not begin after you dating someone for a few times and say, okay, hey, it feels good, let's have a baby together. It would be like, oh, not my thing, yeah. So I'm into like, yeah, it takes some time to, talk about that.
To talk about that. Yeah, okay. Okay, let's see. Another caller is coming in. Guys, dating ndataura kuti wani hatisi kudiscussa nyaya idzodzo. Uye hameno zvari kutaura. Okay, hello?
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 Ah, now we had it, okay.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good, and yourself?
We are fine, thanks.
Thanks. All good.
Hello?
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 Yeah, we hear you.
Yeah, I'm doing it. I say, okay, guys, in ndinoda kubvunza kuti unondinzwa?
Ndiri kukunzwa.
Ine ndinoda kubvunza kuti ndine one of my cousin's sister anga akaroorwa nemurungu, but iye aizopama zvikonzero achiti kwanzi varungu yeva nesmell chichichichi kana kuti ndiyo anga murume wakewo ndiye anga ane smell. Zviri kuvarungu vese here kana kuti zvingori ku handizii?
Okay, I don't know.
What's the question? Okay.
No,
Translate.
No, I'm not going to translate that
Really
one.
not? Why not? Okay.
All right. Inina would say, Guti.
This question is for you. And unofana kuidaira neshona.
All right.
I know kuti inobata. That's why ndaibvunza neshona. So iwe idaire neshona. Ine ndinoda topambizvisawo ipapo because I didn't understand by itself. This boy was
Hey guys, all right. Zvanzi varungu vanonhuhwa here. Okay. All I can say is avagezi regularly. But variko vanogezawo because vanowanza kuvhara nema perfume nezvinhu zvinongoita kuti mwiri unhuhwirire. So but vanhu vasinganyanyi kugeza because at times kunenge kuchitonhora saka munhu anenge asirida kugeza.
Okay. Thank you. Inini zvaindishamisa kuti how come kuti munhu anonzi anenge achimbonyanya kunera zvokutodididi. That's why ndaibvunza neshona. I know kuti inobata kuti ubvunze munhu that question.
Yeah.
Guys, I'm happy for you. Tukuda muchato. We are waiting for your wedding. We are waiting for your white wedding.
All right. Saka, thank you so much for calling in. Okay, bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye. What was that? I mean, most of them know what she's talking about, right?
Yeah,
I'm
most
not.
of them.
That's unfair.
It's unfair.
Okay.
Like she said, it's something that is quite, I don't know, sensitive, you know.
Oh, will it? Okay.
But varungu vanombonhwa at times.
Another phone.
Let's see. Okay. Not answering. Okay. Weather, it's winter. But it's not fair on him. What is
That's
not fair?
right. That you don't translate it to me. It isn't your right.
Yeah, okay. I'm really sorry about that, but just tell him. Hey guys, that is a controversial topic.
What? Which one?
The question that she asked, that our previous caller asked. Okay, just like some. Okay, at least power. Okay, let me. Okay. Well, someone asked. Okay, I'll just tell you what she asked.
Yeah.
She said, you know, like sexually.
Yeah.
She says that African men are believed to be like performing better than white men. So I was just answering that for her.
So, how could I answer it? It's like, for me, it's like, I didn't stand besides a black man and was fucking someone, like, and see how if he's doing better than me.
Okay. Hello? 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 Okay, guys.
Yeah, so I can't answer the questions. I don't know. I can only say,
Yeah.
if a man feels good and have enough self-confidence, it's like, and he can enjoy that. He can be a good lover. I don't know if he's black or white. I don't know. I know only the discussion about the huge and small, it's another topic.
Okay, so I think we'll end our live. I think we have to end the live.
End of the live, that's right.
Okay, so you wanna dance for them? You said you were gonna dance for them at the end.
Then I'll take another music video on and
Which song do you wanna dance to?
Just open something.
Okay.
I can shake my body for them and
Okay. Okay, Saga is gonna dance for you before we end. Okay.
Yeah. Okay, so time to say goodbye or what?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you, Faith, to invite me to this. And, I hope you had fun with us and
Yeah, I hope you guys had so much fun. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for joining thank you for participating by calling and asking questions. So vanenge vachida kuti tidzoke next time, just say it, just state it in the comments. And I will see you guys next week on Friday at 5:30. So and don't forget to subscribe to Youth Diaries. Ikoko chinenge chiposta my videos weekly. To talk about something else. We'll be speaking about other topics on Youth Diaries. So thank you so much for joining and
Okay, time to say goodbye.
Yeah,
okay,
goodbye.
let's
Okay, bye guys.
Okay, bye.